Hey mate, and welcome to Old Mate Adventures.
Hi, I'm Kel.
And I'm Jed.
In 2021, we quit the grind, sold everything and hit the road for a semi-retirement life.
Follow us as we trek, camp and hunt our way around Australia and beyond. Today is smoker time, so I'm going to get Dad's smoker out of the shed, chuck it outside and get it going. It's nearly there. It's about 80 degrees internal, so another hour or so should be ready. Where is she?
Hi. Got my food yet?
Yep. Yeah, it's pretty much ready. The old man's just doing some, what are they called? What's the fries called? What are the chips called? Huh? Waffle fries. Yeah, we got 2 kilos of waffle fries at Costco yesterday, and when we were up in Perth. And yeah, we'll fry them up and just be pork, waffle fries, and a bit of salad. 9 hours I did it for, so hopefully it's tasty. Tongues in. I've launched and just with the old man today, sort of solo mission. Not many people at the boat ramp. Not too sure if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Soon find out. It's a bit windy, but we'll give it a crack. Sweet, we dropped the anchor, old man's deckie, and yeah, we're just going to jump in and have a look around. see if we can grab a feed for.
You got to jump in, not we.
And see if I can get a crayfish or one or two. Yeah, the water actually looks pretty clear for a change off Bunbury. It's usually slop this time of year. Anyway, I'll get my shit sorted and get wet. Right. Gonna bag out. couple. Oh, it was a pretty good dive. It was murky on the top, and then when you get to the bottom it was pretty good. I think I got me 8. I'll just have to measure them and check the size and cut the tails and all that sort of stuff, and then if I'm 1 or 2 short, I'll jump over another spot just over there and have another crack. Oh yeah. That was a lovely dive. I got our 8 crays, which is a bonus. A few little ones around, but yeah, got a feed nonetheless. So we'll cook them up tonight. Everything's cleaned up, boat's all washed, and gear is sorted. I think tonight we're going to do some popcorn crayfish with a bit of homemade fried rice. See how that goes. The water was a lot clearer than last time, which was a bonus, and we were able to hunt around and grab a feed. Yeah, and at the time of filming this, there's no whites or anything crays come in yet. It still seems pretty barren, even though there was heaps of little ones around. Just had to sort through them to try and get a few size ones. Another couple of weeks, I reckon. Maybe this new moon that comes through, it'll bring them in. So yeah, might just give it a couple of weeks and see how we go. The next weekend we've got the Fall Drive and Adventure show up in Perth, so that rules out that weekend, and then might have to start pulling a few late starts at work to get some crays. Yeah, no, all in all pretty good. Done and dusted in one dive, and yeah, back before lunch. So tonight I'm going to do some popcorn crayfish style. Chop it up in little chunks using 4 crayfish tails. Just going to put in a bit of flour, whisk up some eggs, and then do a bit of panko lightly seasoned fish mix. Bang them in the wok, and then we'll chuck them with a bit of fried rice. See how that turns out. Gonna wash my hands. Nah. Boom.